Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we will learn how to pronounce the numbers from 50 to 60 in French. Aujourd'hui, dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre à prononcer les nombres de 50 à 60 en français. 50 50 50 50 51 51 51 51 52 52 52 52 53 53 53 53 54 54 54 54 55 55 55 55 56 56 56 56 57 57 57 57 58 58 58 58 59 59 59 59 60 60 60 60 Once again we repeat 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos and kindly provide your valuable likes and comments.